Hello everyone, welcome back to AI for All, ChatGPT for Everything. Today, I am going to show you two mind-blowing ways to use ChatGPT. If you have ever wished for a personal assistant that can think, write, and solve problems for you, good news, you already have one. That is ChatGPT. Let's get started. Firstly, the tip number one. ChatGPT can be used as personal assistant. It helps to organize your daily tasks and reminder. You can get shopping advice and comparison. Also, you can plan travel in seconds using ChatGPT. Here are the prompts that can be used to get these three tasks done. Let me show you how these work in ChatGPT. I'm connecting to ChatGPT. Firstly, the first prompt is, let's say you have a super busy day. You can ask, create a daily schedule for me with free work, break time, a 10-minute workout. Enter. Here is a daily schedule with free work breaks and 10-minute workout included. This information is very helpful. Moving on to example number two, which is shop, shopping assistant. Need to buy a laptop but don't know which one to choose. Ask ChatGPT, compare the best laptop under 50,000 rupees for programming. Enter. Here we go. It gives specification, pros, cons, even budget friendly options. We read through all these information. This provides the details about the laptop that you can buy. Moving on to example number three, travel planning. Planning it with best price. Create a 3 day plan for Goa with budget friendly places. Enter. Here it is. No need to browse hours together. ChatGPT given you the best plan instantly. You can go through all this information once you enter the prompt using ChatGPT. Some reminder to shopping to travel. ChatGPT makes life stress free. Moving on to tip number two. ChatGPT as Smart Tutor. Want to learn something new but don't know where to start? ChatGPT is your personal tutor. As an example one, let's use ChatGPT as math help. Let's say you are struggling with a math problem. Try solve the algebra equation step by step. 2x plus 5 equals 15. Enter. It not only gives the answer but also explains how it got there. Moving on to example number 2, learning a new language. Want to impress your friend with Spanish? Just type teach me 5 essential Spanish phrases for travel. Enter. Here it is. Now you can greet people like as if you know the Spanish. Moving on to example number 3, career growth and upskilling. Thinking about a career change, try following prompts. What are the top 5 skills required for a digital marketing job in 2025? Enter. ChatGPT gives the latest trends, courses, and way to start. No expensive courses, no boring textbooks. ChatGPT makes learning easy and fun. And that's it. These are two powerful ways ChatGPT can simplify your life. Use it as your personal assistant to stay organized and as your smart tutor to learn anything faster. Tell me in the comments how do you use ChatGPT in your daily life?